Warning. We do not recommend singing along with the Flat Earth Memes of the Week theme song, as it has been proven to be what doctors call an earworm. This will most likely result in the song getting stuck in your head, causing you to sing it repeatedly, and a cure has yet to be found. Side effects from constant singing of the Flat Earth Memes of the Week theme song include, but are not limited to, migraines, frustration, desire to watch FEMOW videos on repeat, loss of appetite, loss of desire to go outside, loss of desire to pet your dog, avoidance by family and friends. Watch Flat Earth Memes of the Week at your own discretion.
Flat, flat Earth memes. Flat, flat Earth memes. Flat Earth memes. Flat Earth memes. Flat Earth memes of the week.
Flat Earth Memes, flat Earth Memes, flat Earth Memes, flat Earth Memes of the week. Flat Earth. Oh, are we ready? Oh, we're live? Shit. Okay. Well, hello, everyone, and welcome back to yet another episode of Flat Earth Memes of the Week. The game show that got a 400 combined score on its SATs, but that's okay, because Mom still loves us. And we're still in the top 1% of all the flirfs that are currently studying here at YouTube University. This week, we're taking a look at only the best Flat Earth memes that are trying their hardest to prove that water would be all sorts of cray-cray on a globe. They have proof, and they've watched as many videos as they could to feel like they've done research and are now experts in the field of fluid dynamics. Now, since Flat Earth Memes of the Week is the newest, hottest, and highest rated show on YouTube, unless, of course, you consider the live streams by FTFE and Team Skeptic, or Flat Earth Fridays with Simon Dan, or the Non Sequitur show before it was ruined by that one guy with the hairdo. But we're trying, damn it. Times are tough and the economy isn't what it used to be. Anyway, since we're obviously the best, I'm sure you already know that on this show, we pit 3 or more of the internet's white-hot flurf memes in a battle to the death, where one meme reigns supreme and the others get all salty and mute you when you give them information they can't refute, like Nathan Oakley. So without any further ado, the moment you've all been waiting for is finally here. Bring out the memes! Now we're calling this one the lowest point of stupidity. If gravity is not strong enough to stop a small stream from flowing to its lowest point, then what is stopping the oceans north of the equator from emptying into the oceans south of the equator? This is what the Earth would look like if we lived on a globe. Gravity is pseudoscience, a theory that cannot be proven. If the Earth was a globe, water flows to the lowest point. Now I know what you're thinking. This meme artist must be a genius. But I just learned a few minutes ago that he couldn't even read before he enrolled at YouTube University. Still can't. But that's probably why he dropped out of those Illuminati-run schools at the beginning of 4th grade. He's like, "Hey teacher, you're a brainwashed idiot. I'm out." And then dabbed or something. Now, the ballers would tell you that there is no up or down in space, and literally any point on the Earth can be considered up if you're standing on it. That's what up is. It's relative to your position on the globe. Therefore, water wouldn't rush to the southern hemisphere. And yes, water flows to the lowest point, but that doesn't always mean south. Newsflash for you, some rivers run north. I know it is really cray-cray. I don't know, meme, you seem a little understudied for a competition of this caliber, but we'll see what the panel of judges thinks at the end of the show. Now, go over there and sit down, crisscross applesauce, and eat your snacky poo. Alright, let's see what else the internet has in store for us. Bring out meme number 2. Now, we're calling this one the high altitude game of Derp Derp Goose. Now this next meme is the strong silent type. It doesn't say much, but what it lacks in words, it also apparently lacks in brains. I've seen videos where globetards are confronted with some of the highest levels of stupidity, such as this meme. And they've always said that since level on a globe is technically perpendicular to the center of the globe, and matter always wants to have the lowest possible amount of potential energy, water is always trying to get as close to the center of the Earth as possible. Which is why water does in fact curve on a spherical planet. The top illustration is correct, even if the scale is massively off. The middle illustration, I don't even know what that is, and the bottom is actually correct too, given the size of the planet. You do see small bodies of water being flat on the surface. And is the horizon curving upwards in that photo? Aren't Flurfs allergic to wide-angle lenses? I bet this is one of those CGI composite fake NASA images, isn't it? Those tricky bastards. Alright, meme. You're silly and kind of stupid, but you're cute and I like you, so go over and sit by the first meme and see if you can get it to share its snack with you. Now, play nice. Alright. Gimme, gimme, gimme meme number 3. Alright, we're calling this meme Rad Vlad's Art School Homework. Now this meme is a little different from what we're used to on a high-quality show such as this, but they filled out the entry form in blue crayon and the producers allowed it, so here it is. The top drawing shows a pitcher pouring water onto a boob. On the left side of the boob, the water is sticking. On the right side of the boob, the water is flowing right off. The bottom sketch shows a pitcher pouring water onto some sort of ball, and the left side once again has the water sticking to it and the right has it pouring off. Now, I don't think that ball is supposed to represent the Earth because that pitcher would be bigger than the moon. So we can only assume that it's a bowling ball or something. And last time I went bowling, the balls weren't massive enough to generate a whole hell of a lot of gravity. Certainly not enough to have water stick to the side, like it does on the planet that we live on. But hey, look at that water action at the bottom. Really, really great stuff there. You may be failing at life, but you're definitely passing art class. Alright, go have a seat. There they are, folks, the contestants for this week's episode of Flat Earth Memes of the Week. We're going to give the panel of studio audience judges picked randomly about 30 seconds to mull over their decision and let us know what they think. All right, judges, you've had your 30 seconds to deliberate on what is most likely one of the most important decisions of your lives. That and whether to marry your first cousin or your second cousin. That's a toughie. I have the envelope in my grubby little mitts. Let's see which meme goes home victorious and which memes get punished by having to watch a 72-hour marathon of those awful, dreadful 3-hour-long Nathan Oakley debates and having to correct Anthony Riley's dissertation paper over and over and over again while sitting next to Nathan Thompson on one of his friend's couches, aka Nathan's bed. I personally can't think of a worse hell. So here it is. And the winner of the 4th episode of FEMOW is the lowest point of stupidity. Wow. Well done. Well done. I gotta admit, I didn't see that one coming. It's really wordy, and Flurfs aren't known to be very big readers at all. So, yeah, well done. Here's the note, as always, from the Flurfs panel judges. Let's see. Oh, God, it's so misspelled. It says, gravity ain't no force. You can't prove it. Water don't stick to no ball. We've seen the evidence and the videos. Show us experiments putting water on side of ball, sticking, it don't work. It's all lies and pseudoscience. I don't know about you, but that's about what I'd expect from a bunch of Flurfs. All right, congratulations to the winner and the losers. Have fun for the next 3 days. I feel sorry for you. All right, well, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next week for another episode of Flat Earth Memes of the Week.